Am I the only one that didn't know AI could help with work stress? You need to watch this if you struggle with balancing your job and mental health. Let's start with task prioritization. Use AI tools to organize your daily workload, making it easier to focus on what truly matters. No more juggling too many tasks at once. Next, take mindful breaks. AI apps for meditation can help you recharge and stay calm throughout the day. Just a few minutes can make a big difference. Need help managing emails and schedules? AI personal assistants can handle it all, from reminders to scheduling, freeing up your mind for more important tasks. Finally, analyze your work patterns with AI-powered apps. Identify trends and avoid burnout by balancing your workload effectively. It's like having a wellness coach in your pocket. Remember, managing stress is key to staying focused, healthy, and happy at work. Use AI to your advantage and create a balanced, productive work life.